The Cuisinart Hurricane Compact Blender is just the hand that you need in the kitchen when it comes to lunch and dinner time. I'm going to use a 32-ounce or 1-liter BPA-free jar. It's a Triton jar to make a fresh tomato sauce. It's going to be fast, it's going to be nutritious, and the 1+ peak horsepower motor is going to get the job done fast. With all of my fresh ingredients in the jar and ready to blend, I can put on the seal-tight lid. It's got these little grooves that make sure that nothing comes out when you're blending. There's a 1-ounce measure conveniently in the top as well. When I put that on and affix that, it's ready to go. Now I can pulse or I can use high or low speed, and this gunmetal gray base is solid with rubber feet to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere when you're blending. In only 60 seconds running at high speed, I have a beautiful and incredibly fragrant sauce ready to go. Some fresh pasta cooked, and look at this beautiful finish. Bright color, and as soon as it hits that hot pasta, it literally just comes to life. This is the hand you need in the kitchen.